A federal judge has temporarily blocked President Donald Trump from barring foreign nationals from entering the U.S. to study at Harvard University. U.S. District Judge Allison Burroughs issued a 2-page temporary restraining order Thursday, enjoining Trump's latest proclamation from taking effect while litigation continues. The case is part of a deepening legal battle between Harvard and the Trump administration. Judge Burroughs ruled that the president's 6-month directive, which prohibits foreign nationals from studying at Harvard or participating in its exchange programs, would cause immediate and irreparable injury before the courts could fully assess the legal challenge. Burroughs had already blocked a separate Trump directive last month that sought to prevent Harvard from enrolling international students. On Thursday, Harvard amended its lawsuit to include the new proclamation, accusing Trump of violating Burroughs' earlier ruling. The proclamation denies thousands of Harvard students the right to come to this country to pursue their education and follow their dreams. And it denies Harvard the right to teach them. Without its international students, Harvard is not Harvard, the university said in its filing. Burroughs' latest order also upholds a separate temporary restraining order she issued on May 23rd, which froze Trump's earlier attempt to restrict Harvard's international student enrollment. On the same day, White House spokesperson Abigail Jackson escalated the rhetoric, calling Harvard a hotbed of anti-American, anti-Semitic, pro-terrorist agitators. Harvard has strongly denied these allegations. Harvard's behavior has jeopardized the integrity of the entire U.S. student and exchange visitor visa system and risk compromising national security. Now it must face the consequences of its actions, Jackson said. Trump justified the ban by citing national security threats. His proclamation, which could be extended beyond the initial 6 months, also instructs the U.S. State Department to review and potentially revoke the academic and exchange visas of current Harvard students who fall under the proclamation's scope. Harvard countered in court that the president failed to justify those national security claims with evidence, thus violating federal law. The proclamation does not deem the entry of an alien or class of aliens to be detrimental to the interests of the United States, because non-citizens who are impacted by the proclamation can enter the United States, just so long as they go somewhere other than Harvard, the university argued. Harvard accused the administration of waging a multi-pronged campaign against it. That includes freezing billions in grants and federal funding and threatening to revoke the school's tax-exempt status, steps that have triggered a series of legal actions. The university filed suit after Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem announced on May 22nd that the department was immediately revoking Harvard's Student and Exchange Visitor Program certification, effectively stripping its ability to enroll foreign students. Judge Burroughs blocked that move almost immediately. Ahead of a scheduled court hearing last week, the Department of Homeland Security changed tack, saying it would instead challenge Harvard's certification via a longer administrative process. Still, Burroughs signaled that she would likely issue a preliminary injunction to protect Harvard's international students during that process. Trump's 2-page proclamation on Wednesday claimed that Harvard has demonstrated a history of concerning foreign ties and radicalism, including extensive entanglements with foreign adversaries, particularly China. It also alleged a drastic rise in crime in recent years, a failure to discipline students for certain misconduct, and inadequate cooperation with Homeland Security regarding foreign students allegedly involved in illegal or dangerous activities. Harvard, in its court response Thursday, rejected the claims outright as unsubstantiated.